Greetings, my friends, and welcome to Trizity Traveling. Today, I am at the National Museum of the United States Air Force. Why don't we go inside and take a look? I'm standing in front of a SPAD 13 C.1 or C1. I used to play this like choose your own adventure game kind of thing with air combat from World War I. And this is one of my favorite airplanes in that game. So it's kind of more than a little cool to see one in real life in person. So beautiful artifact. The B-17 Memphis Belle. And of course, the worst seat in the whole airplane, in my mind, has always been the ball turret guy. I don't know how that guy did that. My favorite World War II warbird. Another very significant historical artifact here at the Air Force Museum. This is a B-29 boxcar. This dropped the second atomic bomb on Japan, which resulted in the end of World War II. Second large gallery, or fourth, depending on how you count it, is the Korean War, with some modern aircraft, obviously, and Vietnam. We'll start with Korea. Now that is a non-luxurious airplane seat. Function, not comfort. God, that'd be miserable. The B-52 in the Vietnam gallery is just towering over everything else. Such a massive airplane. Incredible. I might have to build one of these. B-36 Peacemaker. And I keep saying it, but this thing is just massive. It's so big, I don't have a wide enough lens to get it all in with the space I have behind me. Just crazy. Huge. I've finally reached the back of the B-36 Peacemaker. And I'm gonna go up under the bomb bay there. Oh, look at that. They even have a nuke mocked up. And look what I found, an Idaho F4. You just never know what you're gonna find. So this is the remains of an X-90. I'm sure, it was used for testing what a nuclear blast would do back in the, 60s, I guess. I have to look at the sign again, but it was left in the desert and then brought to the museum. I'm sure it's not radioactive anymore, right? So this is pretty cool. I haven't seen this at a museum before. F-86 with all of its skin removed on this side. .20mm cannon. They call it a gun. I think 20mm, you're looking at a cannon. Potato. Pretty full. Recommend to stop at the Refueling Cafe so you can get this magnificent view here. You'll also get some good views of the missile gallery. If you're old like me, isn't this the thing that Steve Austin crashed in to become the $6 million man? Asking for a friend. The YF-70 Valkyrie definitely dominates this end of hangar number 4. Can't believe how big that thing is. I keep saying that. And the Air Force actually has their own little flying saucer. I had no idea. I think I remember seeing videos of this thing. I don't remember it being very stable. This Air Force One is JFK's Air Force One, which took him to Dallas and brought his bodies home. Bodies? It brought his body home along with President Johnson at the time. They even have a space shuttle. Kinda. It's a crew compartment trainer. Alright friends, I think my day at the National Museum of the United States Air Force is all done. Big surprise for me today was this B-2. I did not know they had a B-2 here, so that's the first time I've seen one in real life. They took my picture for something, so I don't think I'll probably get it, but if I do, I'll show you a copy of it here. So you know and I don't. And as always, they say, remember to exit through the gift shop. Until next time, happy travels, and I will see you tomorrow in the torture tube on my way to Dulles. Man. There are a couple additional details that I should mention. Firstly, admission to the museum is free. That's quite the perk. A donation is suggested if you pick up a museum souvenir aircraft locator map, which I highly recommend. In addition, make sure you wear comfortable shoes. I think you saw that the theme of today's video was, it's huge. My Apple Watch said I walked nearly 6 miles on this particular day, so I highly recommend some comfy shoes. One last detail, I'm showing you some of my photos from the museum. My photos came out a lot better than some of my video, so if you want to see more of that, head over to my website, trizitytraveling.com, where I'll have an extensive photo gallery from this museum, as well as from the Udvar-Hazy Center and the USS Midway in San Diego. Thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you next time.